CHGG stock analysis and CHGG stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially now with Chegg. Bro, 35% up, it's so nice. Like, I'm not saying this in a way just to brag or really do anything, but it's just the truth. Even if I pull out here, look at this beauty. It's so nice.
For me to buy.
I called it out to the dot, and you might think that I'm lying, but here's the proof. This is 7 days ago, a week ago. It was sitting at 91 cents. Look to take it to like just above $1. And I got a pretty decent plus 3.5 out on this. And bro, not only that, this reached now $1.64. Just so nice. And to say the least, I'm looking to double down on this market. So when we go on into the next week, if I do see it pulling down and giving me the shift, then there's nothing stopping me from buying. Nothing. So we'll continue to keep you updated. If I don't see it giving me the break, obviously I'm not going to buy. And all that to say, boom, my confirmation. If you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, then sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.